Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Creative Shelf Decor, your ultimate destination for inspiration and ideas to elevate your home's aesthetic appeal through stunning shelf arrangements. Whether you are an interior design, a dye enthusiast, or simply someone looking to spruce up your living space, this channel is tailored for you. Join us as we delve into the art of shelf decoration, exploring various themes, styles, and techniques that will breathe new life into your shelves. Our expert team of decorators and designers will guide you through step by step tutorials, sharing their knowledge, tips, and tricks to help you create captivating displays. Discover how to curate and arrange objects with finesse, transforming your shelves into personalized showcases that reflects your taste and personality. From minimalist designs to eclectic arrangements, we cater to a wide range of preferences, ensuring there is something for everyone. Explore our videos showcasing different shelf types such as floating shelves, bookcases, wall mounted shelves, and more. Learn how to harmonize color, incorporate different textures, and balance various shapes and sizes to create visually pleasing compositions. Discover clever storage solutions, decorative essence, and dye projects that will make your shelves both functional and eye catching. Join our vibrant community of decor enthusiasts, share your own creations, and engage in lively discussions. Thank you for watching.